Sad. Very sad and unfortunate. What Nigerians living in South Africa are going through. Unfortunately, home is not good. If home was good, why would citizens of a naturally endowed country be trooping out in their thousands every day to other lands they are better than? For students of history, we must remind our brothers that Nigeria almost sacrificed more than blood to ensure the freedom South Africa enjoys today. I ask myself, how would a Madiba feel if he was still alive? Why we preach peace, eschew violence, and call for restraint, this is a time our governments must stand up at the highest level and talk about and speak against these ethnocentric killings. I will point out here, no South African citizen resident in Nigeria has been killed all through this period. It goes to show the core values and common values we attach to protecting and safeguarding our visitors. The time is now for the leadership of the African Union, the United Nations and ECOWAS to speak out against these killings. I must, as a Nigerian citizen, warn that if these killings continue, then our government must sever all bilateral relations with South Africa to protect our citizens. A word is enough for the wise.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.